The ultrasound course here at the Andrews Institute is co-hosted with the AIUM. This is a comprehensive course looking at the upper and lower extremities. We're learning how to not only diagnose but also therapeutically inject different areas in the upper and lower extremities. Our course we're very proud of it. We have an outstanding faculty, internationally known.
No matter what level you are, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or advanced, you'll be able to learn an abundant amount that you'll be able to apply in the future.
I've been teaching at this MSK ultrasound course for approximately 4 years. I've seen it grow tremendously in regards to the spectrum of disease processes that we discuss, as well as the fact that now we have more international participants around the globe as it's become more popular. I have only heard positive results from all the participants. I think it's the one course where you actually get sort of a 1-to-3 ratio to 1-to-4 ratio, which is also very unusual. Most of the time when you see hands-on courses, it's 1-to-10, 1-to-15. This is a very special scenario here at Andrews Institute and AIUM.
So here at the AIUM Andrews MSK ultrasound course, we really have various sections of the course which really offers a great experience for the attendees. And one of those sections is the cadaver lab. Each station within the lab has an instructor and 3 to 4 attendees, so it's really a nice ratio for a learning experience for those who are attending.
I hope everybody walks away with more confidence in how they're going to use their ultrasound machine, and that maybe they might have been used to injecting certain parts of the body, maybe the knee and the shoulder, or are comfortable with anatomy of certain parts of the body like knee and shoulder, but this is really a comprehensive course. One of the things I've really appreciated about this course is that the instructors are very available. So during breaks, they're not off on their cell phones or chatting amongst themselves. They're chatting with us and they're taking our questions, and they're spending the time above and beyond their specific duty.
And I make it a point to come every year because every year I learn something new and meet new people and networking, and it's definitely worth the time. And even if you just learn one thing, that's going to affect so many patients that you see in the course of a year.
It's exceeded my expectations. It has transformed what I'm going to bring back with me to Baltimore. I've gotten a lot of value from my membership at AIUM, and I feel that this course, I can't wait to tell other people about this experience.